Hi there everyone, welcome to your Windows desktop. Today I am excited to walk you through setting up your computer for the best experience with the Atlhas Tutor platform. Let's dive in. First, let's hit the Windows icon in the bottom bar, and then click on the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Once you are there, head over to System in the left menu, and then click on Display at the top of the right panel. In the Scale and Layout section, find Display Resolution. We are aiming for 1920 x 1080. If that's not an option, don't worry. Just choose the closest resolution with a 16:9 ratio and do a bit of experimenting to see what works best for you. Now let's see how Atlhas Tutor looks with these settings. Open up your browser, I'm using Google Chrome, and head to tutor.atlhas.com. Go full screen by pressing F11 on your keyboard. Notice how the page looks great, but when leaving the full screen mode, you can notice how the font size in the browser's menu might be too small for comfort. Let's refine the setup to fix this issue. Go back to Settings and set Scale to 150%. Keep Display Resolution at 1920 x 1080. Now, back in the browser, text should look good. But be aware, scaling to 150% can have some quirks. Let me show you. Let's navigate to an account subscription confirmation page and scroll a bit. Here is the legal consent form. But oops, we can't click the checkboxes. This is because we need to ensure you see the entire consent form before agreeing. Even after scrolling to the end, the checkboxes aren't active due to our scale setting. We can fix that with the last setup still missing. In the browser, click the 3 vertical dots and adjust the scale to 67%. And that's it. Once we scroll to the bottom of our page, the checkboxes should activate, allowing you to click them successfully. And there you have it. That wraps up our demo on optimizing your Windows settings for the best Atlhas Tutor experience. That's everything you need to know about setting up your Windows computer. Now, go ahead and set these settings, sign up, and embark on your learning journey with Atlhas Tutor. Remember, as soon as you sign up, you'll gain immediate access to our exclusive first private video tutorial series in the Apps Private section. These tutorials are designed to help you navigate and make the most of the Atlhas Tutor platform. Thanks for watching and happy learning with Atlhas Tutor.